Hello, my name is Sierra. Welcome to my channel. I did a little at-home color analysis thing. It's been all over my TikTok. I wanted to try it out for myself because I am somebody who wears black every single day and I really want to broaden my horizon. So I got this kit from Amazon. I'll link it down below, and it's just hopefully going to give me a better idea of what colors look best on my skin tone. My skin has changed a lot since moving to Japan. I'm more red, I'm more pale, I'm not using tanning beds anymore. My hair's not jet black anymore, so it's going to be a learning experience for all of us, and I hope you guys find this helpful on maybe somewhere you can do it at home, because I know they offer this service here in Japan, but it's in Tokyo and it's hundreds of dollars. So this is a much cheaper alternative for anybody else who may be curious on what colors work best for them.